You thinking about trading with IG? Wondering if it truly stands up to its strong reputation? Or is there something you should know? Hi, I'm Eric from FXEmpire.com. With over 80 forex brokers tested this year alone, we truly know what defines a top-notch broker. We've put IG to the test and are ready to answer all of your questions. Is IG safe to trade with? Are their trading fees and spreads really competitive? Do they offer a wide range of markets to suit your trading style? We'll also take you on a tour of IG's trading platforms. Finally, we'll give you our honest take on trading with IG and explain who this broker is best suited for. So stay tuned for the full scoop on IG. Let's dive in. Founded in 1974, IG is a major player in the retail trading world and is listed on the London Stock Exchange. They have 10 global entities with 8 regulated by top-tier financial authorities. IG has a lot to offer. Over 17,000 markets to trade, a variety of trading and investing accounts, and a top-notch proprietary trading platform. For UK traders, there is also a spread betting account option. Before we dive into the details, remember, if you're interested in checking out IG for yourself at any point during this video, you can click the link in the description below or in the top right corner for the best offer available in your region. Starting with trust. How well does IG protect your funds? Let's take a closer look. IG has entities worldwide licensed by 10 global regulators, including the top-tier UK FCA, German BaFin, Swiss FINMA, Australian ASIC, US CFTC NFA, and more. So what does this mean for you? Firstly, most of its global entities keep your funds in segregated accounts. This means your money is kept separate from the company's funds, ensuring it's always available. Plus, 2 of their entities offer negative balance protection. This stops your account from going below zero if the market moves against you. 3 of their entities are also part of a regulatory compensation scheme, which protects your money even in case the broker goes bankrupt. On top of this, IG is a listed company on the London Stock Exchange, which means they offer more transparency than many other brokers. With over 50 years in the business, IG is one of the oldest and most reliable brokers in the forex industry. To sum up, as a publicly traded company with top-tier regulation and extensive history, IG earned an exceptional trust score of 4.9 out of 5 in our review. Now, let's tackle IG's fees. How do IG spreads and commissions compare to the industry? Let's find out. We ran live tests using the IG CFD trading account from their UK-based entity. This account includes spreads and swap rollover fees, but no commissions, except for share CFDs. To get a complete picture, we ran these tests at the peak trading times in the London and New York trading sessions. So, what do we find? IG's trading fees are quite competitive and often better than the industry average. Take a look at the table from our testing. The spreads were lowest on major currency pairs, commodities, and stock indices, especially European stock indices. The spreads were also very low on share CFDs because IG charges a commission instead of widening the spread. While the commissions are competitive, the minimum transaction charge on US stocks of $15 is higher than the industry average. However, the spread on Bitcoin is rather high. As for swap fees, IG generally offers better than average rates for the industry. There's also a monthly inactivity fee of 12 euros, but only in case your account has been inactive for 2 years. IG's fees are competitive, but the high minimum fee on share CFDs and wide spreads on crypto brought their score down a bit. Overall, they received an average score of 4.2 out of 5 in this category. Now, let's check out the trading platforms offered by the broker. Finding the one that fits just right can be a game changer for your trading experience. IG offers a great selection of trading platforms and apps that cater to both beginner and advanced traders. First off, the broker's proprietary web platform is user-friendly, has an intuitive interface, and is packed with features. This includes the ability to create your own watch lists, a built-in newsfeed, one-click trading, client sentiment data, and free trading signals from third-party providers. Users can also access the broker's mobile trading app, which has all the same features as the web platform. The broker also offers access to the well-known MT4 and Pro Real-Time platforms. These are available on desktop and mainly cater to advanced traders interested in algorithmic trading. Finally, IG's L2 dealer platform offers direct market access trading. It's the same platform IG's own dealers use, but is only accessible to advanced and professionally categorized traders. Please note, IG offers all of their tradable markets only on their proprietary platform. The offering of markets on other platforms varies. Now let's take a quick tour of the broker's proprietary platform, MT4, and the mobile app. First, we'll do a walkthrough of the IG online platform. The interface is very well designed and intuitive. Let's go through the main components: the vertical navigation menu, tabbed workspaces, account statistics, charts, and the deal ticket. From the vertical navigation, you can view instruments grouped by asset class, watch lists, your open positions and their live P&L, your pending orders, your history of trades, price alerts, and new signals from AutoChartist and PIA First, and analysis from tip ranks. Now, any of these can be detached and added to your workspace by clicking here. For example, I've added news and analysis as well as signals along with 2 charts to this workspace. From the deal ticket, traders can access standard and advanced order types, including trailing stops. Charting within the platform is robust with over 50 indicators and drawing tools. One of my favorite features though is client sentiment data, which shows you the percentage of traders that are long or short for each instrument. Now let's do a walkthrough of the popular MetaTrader 4 platform. The interface is made up of 4 main panels: Market Watch, Navigator, Charts, and Terminal. From the Market Watch panel, you can track the live prices of your favorite instruments. Double-click to pull up the order ticket, and you can drag an instrument over to view its chart. The Navigator panel allows you to toggle between different accounts, access custom indicators, and expert advisors for automated trading. Charting within the platform is robust, and you can work with over 60 indicators and drawing tools. In addition, one-click trading and trading from the chart are available, making this a suitable platform for day traders and scalpers. One of the benefits of the MT4 platform is that it's highly customizable. For example, you can tile charts to suit your preference, and you can close out panels to create more space. Finally, in the terminal panel, you can view the live P&L of your open positions and your history of trades, and you can set price alerts. And here we have the IG mobile app. Under the Markets tab, we have custom and thematic watch lists. And if you tap an instrument, you can pull up its chart. The chart can also be enlarged to take up the whole screen. Trading from the chart is available, and looking at the deal ticket, we can see that the full range of standard order types are available. Under the Trades tab, we have our open positions and their live P&L, history of trades, and our pending orders. The News tab features stories from Reuters. And finally, the Account tab shows you your account details, and you can access features like price alerts and signals from AutoChartist and PIA First. Our score for IG's platforms and tools is a solid 4.7 out of 5. Finally, to make the most of the market's opportunities, you need a broker that offers a wide array of markets to trade on. We were very impressed by the selection of tradable instruments at IG. This includes over 98 forex pairs, 80 indices, 40 commodities, 15 cryptos, 19 bonds, and over 17,000 stocks and ETFs. IG is particularly strong in forex, commodities, shares, and indices. Overall, we rated the range of tradable instruments at IG 4.8 out of 5 in this category. In just a moment, we'll share our verdict on IG, but first, let me tell you a bit about us and why you can trust our insights. Our team is a mix of seasoned analysts and pro traders. We've been reviewing forex brokers for 12 years, and this year alone, we've tested 80 forex brokers. This gives us a deep understanding of the industry, so we know what truly defines a top-notch broker. So, is IG the right broker for you? First off, the broker is well regulated and has been in business for over 50 years. As a listed company on the London Stock Exchange, it offers a high level of transparency, stability, and safety. IG offers an impressive range of over 17,000 markets, including forex, commodities, indices, cryptos, bonds, and global stocks. You can trade stocks on margin or invest in real shares through an investing account. There is a strong set of trading platforms designed for beginner and advanced traders, along with a great collection of educational materials and market research from IG's in-house analysts. Lastly, the spreads are very competitive in most markets. On the downside, the minimum transaction fee on share CFDs is high and may not be suitable for small account traders. The spreads on crypto are also quite high. Secondly, not all of IG's entities offer segregated accounts or access to compensation scheme. The full selection of tradable markets is available only through their proprietary platform. So, who is IG best suited for? Let's break it down into categories. Beginners, IG is a top choice for you. The wealth of educational materials in the IG Academy, unlimited use of a demo account, and user-friendly trading platform make them a great option. Swing traders, the low swap fees and extensive range of over 17,000 markets make IG a top broker to employ swing trading strategies. Algorithmic traders. With access to MT4 and Pro Real Time, automated trading is a breeze. You can also create your own code in Pro Real Time, so it's a good option if you're just starting out with algorithmic trading. Advanced traders. If you're able to pass the suitability test to be classified as a professional trader, you'll have excellent options to trade with direct market access and high leverage. Finally, IG is also a top choice if you are a stock investor with a sizable account. The low spreads and intuitive trading platform make it easy to invest in over 17,000 stocks from around the world. Unfortunately, if you're interested in copy trading, IG is not the broker for you, but they do offer free trading alerts and signals from AutoChartis and PIA First directly in their trading platform. In our assessment, we awarded IG with an overall score of 4.6 out of 5, marking its offerings as above average. Interested in giving them a go? Just click the link in the description or top right corner to head straight to their site. You can also check the more detailed review of the broker on our website. Share your thoughts, comment with any questions about IG, or suggest brokers for our future reviews. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading insights. We'll see you in the next video.